Hi viewers, let us continue our video. And next we have to view a translation repeat to the skywalk. Here I am going to select these beams and again press Ctrl button and select the extra beams. Like this. So here these all are translation repeat, view translation repeat in y direction. Number of steps will be 3 and default step spacing is also 3 in y direction. Go to link steps option and click on OK. Just see this in 3D view. It will be like this. Now again go to top view and here also I want to select the plates. Go to plate cursor and select all those plates. Like this. These all plates are again go to translation repeat in y direction, number of steps as 3 and default step spacing is also 3. Click on OK. Just observe this in our 3D view and next go to rendering view, creating render model. Here it will be like this. This is our skywalk with twin towers. Like this. Okay. Now again take this view in front view. This is our 5th floor and just select our 9th floor from here to 4. Yes, here it will be selected and again see this, go to front view and here also I want to select the 9th floor like this. Here after selecting this, go to cut section. Here select it to view highlighted only, click on OK. Now see this in 3D view. Okay, here I want to take this. Just take a control button, top view. It will be selected and here I want to take in translation repeat in Z direction. Number of steps will be 3 and default step spacing is also 3. Click on link steps option, click on OK. OK. Now I want to copy these beams also. Go to translation repeat. It is in Z. It is also in X direction. It is in -3. Okay, minus. There is only steps, one step. And here default step spacing as -3. Click on link steps option, click on OK. It will be like this. Now again I want to take these beams. Again go to translation repeat. It is also in X direction. Number of steps will be 9 and view the step spacing as 3. Go to link steps options, click on OK. It will be like this. Here I want to add a plates. go to 4 node plate option, and here I want to add directly like this. If you want, you can round these 2 plates also. If not, go to translation repeat. Here give the steps as 2 and default step spacing as 3. It is in Z direction. Click on OK. Okay, first of all we have to select the plate. Go to plate mode. Now go to translation repeat. It is in Z direction. Number of steps will be 2. For 2 steps I want to apply these plates, and default step spacing will be, it is in Z direction, opposite direction I want to apply, so it is -3. Click on OK. Yeah, here it will be applied. Now select these 3 plates and go to translation repeat. Here it is in X direction. Number of steps will be 14 and step spacing will be 3. Now click on OK. It will be applied to this skywalk. Now again same process, it will be continued. I want to select these all beams, and it is in this also. Sorry. Just select this extra beams like this. Now we have to view the translation repeat. It is in Y direction. View the steps as 3. In here view the step spacing as also 3. Click on link steps option. Click on OK. Just see this in 3D view. Okay, it will be in Y direction. It will be like this. Again go to top view. Here I want to select the plates. Just select these 3 plates and again go to translation repeat. It is in X direction. Number of steps will be 14. Oh sorry. Just go back. I want to select the whole plates like this. Okay. Now go to translation repeat. It is in Y direction. Number of steps will be 3. Okay, 2 steps. Just click on OK. It will be like this. Just observe this in 3D view. It will be like this. Our plates are applied. Next, click on whole structure, display whole structure. It will be like this. Now we are observe this in 3D rendering view. This is our complete geometry of Twin Tower Skywalk. So next we are going to apply a properties to this. So then go to general option. Here go to property option. Here go to define option. Click on define. Click on rectangle. Here for beams just give the 0.5 by 0.6. Add it, and for columns 0.6 by 0.6. Add it. For Twin towers, it will be highest I mean rise building of 15 floors. That's why we are taking the beam as 500 mm by 600, and column will be 0.6 by 0.6. Then give the thickness of your slab is 0.15. Just add it, close it. Now this is for beams. Just select that and go to select option, beams parallel to x-axis, and go to select beams parallel to z-axis. It will be like this. When it is parallel to x and z direction, go to assign to selected beams, click on assign, click on S. It will be in process. Why? Because for highest buildings, our applying beams dimensions and column dimensions will be highest. It will be working, will be, it is in process. Yes, it will be applied, it will be assigned. Next, go to columns. Now select this 0.6 by 0.6. Go to select option. In this select option, I want to select the beams parallel to y direction. Like this, all our beams in y direction will be selected. That means those are all columns. Beams parallel to y direction, assign to selected beams, click on assign, click on S. Yes, it will be also applied. Next, take the plate cursor and select all those plates like this. Sorry, after clicking the plate thickness, we have to select these plates. All those plates selected. Let's click on assign to selected plates. Click on assign. Click on S. Okay. Next, we have to observe this in rendered model. It will be our building. Twin tower with skywalk. So after applying properties, our beams, columns and slabs for a twin tower skywalk will be like this. Okay. Okay, let us continue next our load supports in our next video. Okay. Up to now it will be completed. I will close this video. In our next video we will be continued about the further topics. Okay. Thank you.